Today we have a very beautiful and enjoyable lesson. Today we have how to make plural in Arabic. Plural in Arabic sounds intimidating for some people, but here in this lesson, in this short lesson, we're gonna make it as easy as possible. So let's jump into our lesson. First of all, there are three types of plural in Egyptian Arabic or in Arabic generally. First one is regular masculine plural or sound masculine plural. You can call it sound masculine plural or regular masculine plural. So making the regular masculine plural is just simple, easy. You add in at the end. In. So for example, مدرس, مدرسين, مدرس, مدرسين. I think you knew the word مدرس. So مدرس, إن, مدرسين, مدرس, مدرسين. مهندس, مهندسين, مهندس, مهندسين. Just listen to the word مهندسين. Here and here. So that's nationality. صيني, صيني, صينيين, صينيين. I know it sounds hard, but you can make it. So say these two words by yourself. This one and here the plural. So plural in Arabic is more than two. Two is dual, and we've mentioned dual. It's a nationality as well. فرنسي. Okay, and you're gonna add in. فرنسيين. All right. So we have a religion here, Islam. Muslim. What's the plural of Muslim? Now I'll leave it for you. Yeah, that's it. Muslimin. So Muslim. Oh, my bad. Muslim. Muslimin. All right. So we're done with regular masculine plural. Let's keep going. Number two is regular feminine plural or sound feminine plural. It's just as easy as like the previous one. So here مدرسة, دي مدرسة, دي مدرسة. And what's the plural of مدرسة? مدرسات, مدرسات. I think you got what I'm trying to tell you, or what I'm trying to deliver here. At. So just add at. But there is a thing. You're gonna delete the here at the end, and you're gonna add at. So مدرسة, مدرسات. That's the words. Now it's your time. It's your turn to say them by yourself. Cool. That's good. In طالبة. And what's the plural? Yeah, I'm hearing you saying طالبات. So you're gonna prolong here. At. So طالبة, طالبات. Yabaniya. We have a nationality. Yabaniya. Yabaniyat. Yabaniya. Yabaniyat. دي يابانية. دول يابانيات. دي يابانية. دول يابانيات. Okay. طيارة. So طيارة is a plane and it's a feminine word. طيارات. Why am going back like this? طيارة. طيارات. So by now you've learned. So we're done with the regular. We're done with feminine plural. But I wanna tell you something here, like regular masculine plural and feminine regular and feminine plural are like, we got some words. That we can make. That we can add in or add. These words related to jobs, professions, nationalities, religion. So like jobs like muhandis, mudarris, you can add in, or mudarrisa, muhandisa, add. Nationality like Yabani, Yabaniyin, Yabaniya, Yabaniyat, Masri, Masriyin, Masriya, Masriyat, and so on. So job, profession. So these kind of words that relate to jobs, profession, nationality, and some like objects like plane. We can make this sound regular plural. So that's the thing. That's the thing which I wanted to tell you. Let's keep going. So here we are with irregular plural, or you can call it broken plural. So that's the majority of the words. So we have a note here. A very large number of plural nouns follow this pattern, the patterns of broken plural. They are made by making internal change to the word structure. In total, there are over 30 different patterns. So there are many different patterns to make broken plural. So it's hard to remember. It's hard. It's not hard to remember. It's hard to write, like to make it. There's no specific rule to make broken plural. All you have to do is just keep listening, keep speaking. They hardly follow any fixed rules. They will have to be learned by practice. So the key here is practice and immersion in the language. The more you get yourself immersed in the language, the more you will get this kind of plural. So it's hard for Arab. Even it's hard for Arabs. I'll give you examples. I'm gonna give you some examples. I can't give you all the patterns, all the words. Walad, which means a boy. And what's the plural of walad? Awlad. Walad, awlad. Walad, awlad. قطة. قطة. قطط. Listen carefully to this word. قطط. قطط. So we have قطة. قطط. قطة. قطط. كتاب. And by the way, there's something I want to tell you here, that the word utla ends with a. However, it is a broken plural. It's not regular feminine plural. Kitab. Listen to the plural. Listen to the plural. Kutub. So just like sounds similar, but we changed it something. We delete and we added some vowels here. Beit. All right, listen to the plural. Buyut or buyut. So beit, buyut. Well, alam, a'lam, alam, a'lam. So at this point, we've reached the end of this lesson. Hopefully, it was good. And see you at the next lesson. مع السلامة.